It's not Thanksgiving without stuffing, right? But how did a bowl of seasoned bread turn into the heartbeat of the holiday? Let me take you on a quick taste tour through time. Long before turkeys hit American tables, the ancient Romans were already stuffing birds, fish, dormice with herbs, nuts, grains. They called it farce, from the Latin farca, to fill. Medieval Europe kept the idea bubbling. Meat, stale bread, savory drippings, simple, thrifty, delicious. When colonists arrived in North America, they brought the habit and met a pantry of new flavors. Wild herbs, native corn oysters. Suddenly stuffing had regional personality. Bread wasn't just filler, it was a canvas. So, why stuffing? And why dressing? In early American cookbooks, you'll see stuffing all over the page, plain-spoken and practical. By the 19th century, especially in the South, dressing sounded more genteel, like you're dressing the bird rather than cramming it. Same idea, different manners. Today, both names survive, and the choice often reveals where you're from and who taught you to cook. Now, the regional remixes that made it iconic: New England, oyster stuffing; the South, cornbread dressing; the Midwest, sausage and sage; wild rice up north; Pennsylvania Dutch, baked potato filling; West Coast, sourdough cubes; mushrooms, rosemary. But how did it become the soul of the feast? Thanksgiving is about abundance and balance. Turkey can be mild. Stuffing brings the melody. Herbs for aroma, bread for comfort, stock for depth, drippings for that roasted magic. It soaks up the story of the bird and hands it back to you in spoonfuls.